Hi, my name is Shira, and with this video I would like to demonstrate how to install the Kremona NG-1 into your nylon string guitar. You don't need a workbench or any tools to do this yourself. You might want to have one of these prepared. So, let's begin. To install this pickup you need to loosen up the strings. Pickup will sit on top of the bridge and will be tied by the strings themselves. So to start you need to loosen up the strings. I did bring my own tool to make it a lot easier, but you can do with this. So, strings are all loose. This pickup will sit on top of this wood, but will be held in position by the strings. First thing you need to do is to loosen up this a little bit. Just put your fingernail underneath and pull it up a little bit. And that's that. You can push the string through the hole a little bit to make it go faster. Okay, that's that. Then the pickup. You need to put it underneath the strings and on top of the wood. No need to push or whatever. Just get it into position. Line it up so it looks good. Okay. And then tighten the strings again. Okay, that looks good. Okay, time to string up again. Okay, it's all tuned up again. Pickup comes with a cable. A smaller jack goes into the pickup, bigger jack goes into your amp. And you're good to go. That's all.